Wait! Don't throw away those ripe bananas sitting in your kitchen because you can turn them into this incredibly soft, chocolatey treat. And the best part? You don't even need an oven. Just a few simple ingredients, one pan, and you'll have a delicious homemade dessert that's moist, fluffy, and loaded with chocolate chips. First, take 2 ripe bananas and peel them. The riper your bananas are, the better, because they'll be naturally sweeter and much easier to mash. Place the bananas into a mixing bowl and add 1 egg. Now, using a fork, mash everything together really well. Take your time here and try to remove any large pieces of banana. A few tiny lumps are completely fine. Next, add half a cup of sugar, followed by 1/4 cup of oil and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until the sugar starts to dissolve and you have a smooth, glossy banana mixture. Once it's nicely combined, keep this bowl aside while we prepare our dry ingredients. Now place a strainer or sieve over another mixing bowl. Add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all of these ingredients together. Don't skip this step. Sifting helps remove any lumps from the cocoa powder and flour, and it also helps give our cake a lighter, softer texture. Once everything has been sifted, give the dry ingredients a gentle mix. Now bring back the banana mixture we prepared earlier. Pour it into the dry ingredients and begin mixing gently. You don't want to overmix the batter. Just continue until the wet and dry ingredients are mostly combined. Next, add 1/4 cup of milk and mix again. Look at that beautiful chocolate batter. It should be smooth, rich, and creamy. And now for my favorite part, chocolate chips. Add 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and gently fold them into the batter. These little pockets of chocolate make every bite even more delicious. If you're a chocolate lover, you already know this is going to be good. Now take a 7-inch cake mold and lightly grease the inside with oil. Place a piece of baking paper at the bottom. This little step makes removing the cake much easier after it's cooked. Pour all of that beautiful chocolate banana batter into the prepared mold. Gently tap the mold on your counter a few times. This helps settle the batter and remove some of the larger air bubbles. And because there can never be too much chocolate, sprinkle a few more chocolate chips over the top. Just look at that. It already looks tempting, and we haven't even cooked it yet. If you don't have an oven, don't worry. You can easily make this on your stovetop. Preheat a large pan, covered, for about 5 minutes. Once the pan is hot, carefully place the cake mold inside. Cover the pan again and cook over medium-low heat for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure the heat isn't too high. We want the cake to cook slowly and evenly without burning the bottom. Insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean or with just a few moist crumbs, your cake is ready. Let it cool for a little while before removing it from the mold. Don't try to unmold it immediately because the cake will still be very soft while it's hot. Once it has cooled slightly, carefully remove it, peel away the baking paper, and slice it into your desired pieces. And look at that inside, soft, moist, chocolatey, with sweet banana flavor and little melted chocolate chips throughout. This is such an easy homemade treat made with simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Serve it with tea, coffee, or enjoy it just as it is.